Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a fun beginner English quiz with 25 easy words. I will show you a word and you choose the correct meaning. Ready? Let's begin. Question 1. What does the word happy mean? Is it A. Feeling sad, B. Feeling glad and pleased, C. Feeling tired, D. Feeling cold? Think about it. The answer is B. Happy means feeling glad and pleased. For example, she is happy because it's her birthday. Question 2. What does the word house mean? Is it A. A kind of food, B. A building where people live, C. A type of car, D. A small animal? Think about it. The answer is B. House means a building where people live. For example, they live in a big house near the park. Question 3. What does the word run mean? Is it A. To sleep, B. To eat quickly, C. To move fast on your feet, D. To sit down? Think about it. The answer is C. Run means to move fast on your feet. For example, I run in the park every morning. Question 4. What does the word water mean? Is it A. A clear liquid we drink, B. A hot drink, C. A kind of bread, D. A small bird? Think about it. The answer is A. Water means a clear liquid we drink. For example, please drink a lot of water every day. Question 5. What does the word big mean? Is it A. Very small, B. Very large in size, C. Very fast, D. Very quiet? Think about it. The answer is B. Big means very large in size. For example, an elephant is a very big animal. Question 6. What does the word eat mean? Is it A. To drink, B. To run, C. To put food in your mouth, D. To sleep? Think about it. The answer is C. Eat means to put food in your mouth. For example, we eat dinner at 7 o'clock. Question 7. What does the word cat mean? Is it A. A small pet that says meow, B. A big tree, C. A kind of fruit, D. A type of shoe? Think about it. The answer is A. Cat means a small pet that says meow. For example, my cat likes to sleep all day. Question 8. What does the word red mean? Is it A. A number, B. A color like blood or a tomato, C. A day of the week, D. A kind of music? Think about it. The answer is B. Red means a color like blood or a tomato. For example, the apple is bright red. Question 9. What does the word open mean? Is it A. To close something, B. To clean something, C. To make something not closed, D. To break something? Think about it. The answer is C. Open means to make something not closed. For example, can you open the window, please? Question 10. What does the word cold mean? Is it A. Having a low temperature, B. Very hot, C. Very tall, D. Very loud? Think about it. The answer is A. Cold means having a low temperature. For example, it is very cold in winter. Question 11. What does the word friend mean? Is it A, an enemy, B, a person you like and trust, C, a kind of food, D, a building? Think about it. The answer is B. Friend means a person you like and trust. For example, she is my best friend at school. Question 12. What does the word sleep mean? Is it A, to run fast, B, to eat food, C, to rest with your eyes closed, D, to talk loudly? Think about it. The answer is C. Sleep means to rest with your eyes closed. For example, babies sleep a lot during the day. Question 13. What does the word book mean? Is it A, a thing with pages you read, B, a kind of drink, C, a type of car, D, a small dog? Think about it. The answer is A. Book means a thing with pages you read. For example, I read a book before bed. Question 14. What does the word small mean? Is it E, A, very big, B, little in size, C, very fast, D, very old? Think about it. The answer is B. Small means little in size. For example, an ant is a very small insect. Question 15. What does the word walk mean? Is it A, to fly, B, to swim, C, to move slowly on your feet, D, to jump high? Think about it. The answer is C. Walk means to move slowly on your feet. For example, we walk to school every day. Question 16. What does the word sun mean? Is it A, the bright star in the sky, B, a kind of fish, C, a type of hat, D, a small stone? Think about it. The answer is A. Sun means the bright star in the sky. For example, the sun is shining today. Question 17. What does the word drink mean? Is it A, to read, B, to take liquid into your mouth, C, to sleep, D, to write? Think about it. The answer is B. Drink means to take liquid into your mouth. For example, I drink milk every morning. Question 18. What does the word door mean? Is it A, a part of the floor, B, a kind of food, C, a thing you open to go in or out, D, a type of bird? Think about it. The answer is C. Door means a thing you open to go in or out. For example, please close the door quietly. Question 19. What does the word old mean? Is it A, young, B, having lived many years, C, very fast, D, very happy? Think about it. The answer is B. Old means having lived many years. For example, my grandfather is very old and wise. Question 20. What does the word tree mean? Is it A, a tall plant with leaves, B, a kind of car, C, a small fish, D, a type of phone? Think about it. The answer is A. Tree means a tall plant with leaves. For example, birds live in the tree outside. Question 21. What does the word help mean? Is it A, to hurt someone, B, to make something difficult, C, to do something useful for someone, D, to run away. Think about it. The answer is C. Help means to do something useful for someone. For example, can you help me with my bags? Question 22. What does the word night mean? Is it A, the dark time when we sleep, B, the morning, C, a kind of food, A, D, a type of game? Think about it. The answer is A. Night means the dark time when we sleep. For example, the stars come out at night. Question 23. What does the word fast mean? Is it A, very slow, B, very quiet, C, moving with great speed, D, very small? Think about it. The answer is C. Fast means moving with great speed. For example, a cheetah can run very fast. Question 24. What does the word buy mean? Is it A, to give away for free, B, to get something by paying money, C, to throw away, D, to sleep? Think about it. The answer is B. Buy means to get something by paying money. For example, I want to buy a new phone. Question 25. What does the word love mean? Is it A, to hate, B, to forget, C, to feel sad, D, to like someone very much? Think about it. The answer is D. Love means to like someone very much. For example, I love my family very much. Amazing work! You finished all 25 questions? Let me know in the comments how many you got right. See you in the next video.